Do you get sick easily or feel tired all the time? What if I told you that your immunity can be improved naturally just by changing what you eat? Today, I'll share 7 powerful foods that help boost your immune system, and most of them are probably already in your kitchen. Stay till the end for a simple daily immunity routine. Welcome back to Okamsozor, where we share natural remedies, healthy lifestyle tips, fitness, and mental well-being. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our weekly health videos. Citrus fruits, vitamin C boost. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which helps increase white blood cells, the body's first defense against infection. Try adding a glass of warm lemon water to your morning routine. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful, natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps fight infections and supports digestion, which is closely linked to immunity. You can add ginger to tea, soups, or smoothies. Garlic. Garlic contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. For best results, crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to activate its health benefits. Honey. Raw honey has antibacterial and soothing properties. It supports immunity and helps with sore throats and coughs. Take 1 spoon daily or mix it into warm water or tea. Do not give honey to children under 1 year old. Yogurt probiotics. A healthy gut means a strong immune system. Yogurt contains probiotics that help balance good bacteria in your gut. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt for maximum benefits. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and E. These nutrients help the body fight infections and repair cells. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Add turmeric to your meals or drink warm turmeric milk before bed. Bonus: daily immunity routine. Here's a simple daily routine. Morning, warm lemon water. Afternoon, yogurt or fruit snack. Evening, ginger or turmeric tea. Consistency is the key to strong immunity. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Okamsozor for more natural health tips. Comment below and tell me, which of these foods do you eat regularly? Watch this next video on natural remedies for headaches to continue improving your health naturally.